Hey, morning everybody. Yeah, it's noisy out here. It's Keith from Jets PC. It's August, so let's do a walkthrough. I haven't done one in a while, so come on in the shop. All right, and over here to the left, whoops, over here to the left, you have the Dells. There's a 7060 and a 5060, 350 and 400. One main difference, same processor, all that kind of thing. One of them has a 500 gig for 350. One of them has a terabyte for 400. Both Windows 11 Professional. And over here, there's the newest edition, the collectible card vending machine. I think this one's the first one in San Antonio. So, if you know that pokey collector, well, tell them to come on by. The cards are $1 a piece, so it's a good bargain as well. Here on the main desktop table, we've got that Alienware R7, another 8th gen i7 hex core. That one has a 2080 Super in it. So, a good running gaming desktop, frames above 150. So come on by and check it out. It's only $700. Over here is the ThinkStation. That's got an NVIDIA RTX 980 in it, so it will run the school of software where they want to have NVIDIA versus a AMD GPU. So if you've got that student going back to college for content creation, compiling, things like that, well, come by and take a look at that ThinkStation. It's $550 plus tax, and frankly, with that quad-core Xeon, it'll run circles out of most stuff, especially consumer stuff, since that's server-grade hardware. Over here, of course, we still have the laptop special going on. All the laptops are 10% off, whether they be Windows 11 or there's even some Linux laptops up there. So come on by and see us and take advantage of that 10% off till the end of the week. And then there's that little HP 9th gen hex core, little mini or small form HP. That one's $350 plus tax. So come on by and see us. You never know what you find at Jets PC, and we are open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Oh, and there's even that server motherboard I listed yesterday. Micro ATX AM5 that supports the new EPIC data center processors, or workload processors from AMD. It's $275 plus tax. That one has a 3-year hardware or a 3-year manufacturer's warranty too. So not a bad motherboard. Come on by and see us. We're open, like I say, Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for checking out this video, and thanks for subscribing over on our YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.